Welcome back to another video with teacher Satya, guys. Now in this video you guys will be learning on how to expand this bracket. Alright, now let's get to it. Alright, first of all guys, what we're going to do is we're going to take the term in front of the bracket and multiply with the first term inside the bracket. So we have negative 5 over 6 x y z cubed multiplied with 9 over 7 x cube y z. Alright guys, x cube y, and this one guys, this is not a z, this should be an x. Alright, this should be an x. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to take the first term in front of the bracket and multiply with the second term inside the bracket. So what would we have? Let me put a plus here because it doesn't change the sign. Negative 5 over 6 x y z cube multiplied with negative 7 over 5 x y cube z. Alright guys, x y cube z. Now let us see what we can do here. So first of all, let's go ahead and simplify the fractions. Alright guys, so it will make our lives that much easier. Now 6 and 9 can simplify with 3, right? So 6 here will change to 2 and then 9 here will change to 3. Same here guys, so if you take a look at this, 5 and 5 will simplify. 5 will change to 1 and negative 5 will change to negative 1. And I don't think anything else can simplify, right guys? So first let's go ahead and multiply the numbers in the first term. So negative 5 times 3 is going to give us negative 15, right? And then we have x multiplied with x cubed, and then we have multiplied with y multiplied with y, right guys? And multiplied with z cubed multiplied with z. So what I'm doing is I'm breaking it out to you term by term so you guys understand it thoroughly. And in the denominator, right, we have 2 times 7, which is 14, right guys? Now let us go to the next one. So plus, what do we have here, boys and girls? Negative 1 multiplied with negative 7 is going to give us 7, right? So right, so we are going to have a 7, and then we are going to have x multiplied with x, right? And then multiplied with y cube, and finally multiplied with z cube multiplied with z, right? And all of this over 6 times 1 is going to give us 6, right guys? Now let us continue here. So what do we have here, boys and girls? So we have negative 15. Now x times x cube is going to give us x to the power of 4. Y times y is going to give us y to the power of 2. And then z cube times z is going to give us z to the power of 4, and all of this over 14, right guys? All of this over 14. Plus we have 7 here. X times x is x squared. Y times y cube is going to give us y to the power of 4. Z cube times z is going to give us z to the power of 4, and all of this over 6. And if you take a look at it guys, it is not like terms as the variables are not the same. Therefore, that will be our final answer. Alright guys, and that is how you would multiply monomials with binomials. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, do not forget to hit on the like button and consider subscribing guys, as that will help me a lot. Now until next time guys, have a nice day.